So you're an earth mover and you're wondering how a laser or machine receiver is going to increase your efficiencies on site. Well, first of all, we'll look through the lasers. We've got the EL614GM there. That's an electronic leveling laser where we can grade match to the LR720 tracking receiver in either the X or the Y axis up to a 10% grade. We can do a manual grade match with the remote control to that receiver as well. The EGL624GM is in essence the same laser, but now we have the vertical operation. We can also grade match to that receiver in the vertical, whether we're wanting to do site square or alignment or fencing, and that marries up with our fence alignment kit quite well. If we're after a serious laser and a lot of grade work, you really can't go past the DGL1010GM. It's the same receiver with the grade matching function, but we can also now dial a grade up to 10% straight off the remote control or the laser itself. So it makes it a lot easier to do that, to do the grading. It will also operate in vertical, so it offers all the same features of that EGL624GM, and will also marry up with our fence alignment kit. If you want to find out why we've got that scope there, you can look at the videos on that product. Finally, we're going to have a look at the receivers. So really, we've got two receivers on offer. You've got the MR706 or 708 with the clamps as a standard receiver. They've got a core of batteries and will operate off that core of batteries. We can then get those optioned as an MR706D or 708D, which has the in-cab remote display and all the cables to run through to that in-cab. If we're not wanting to run the cables to our in-cab, we've got the MR825WD, and that will talk by radio frequency back to our in-cab display. That receiver also has a pan and tilt sensor in there, so it will tell us if our excavator arm is vertical or our dozer blade is horizontal. Further down the page, you'll see we've got packages of any one of these lasers with the receivers, so you can work out which package best suits your needs. And remember, you can always give us a call on 1800 769 858 if you've got any further questions.